Oh,
another big
one.
Another big hand. Rabindra Dutt opening up, just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt.
He's hurt.
He's hurt. He's out.
This could be
He
it.
is
Oh!
out. No! We have a new champion. Rabindra Dutt has pulled off the upset, and the Soma team is going batshit crazy
the
in front of
biggest
me.
upset in the history of
We
Indian
talked about
MMA.
it. I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Chongren Koren, and he saw it. He was beaten. His camp, of course, a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all. My heart goes out to Chongren Koren, but oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all. Let's take a look at the replays because Rabindra Dutt did it. He did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
So Rabindra manifested it for the fans who are watching us. Rabindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation, shows the entire life story of Rabindra Dutt, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Chongren Koren. Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past his prime.
He took on the aging Chaitanya Gavli.
He took on,
again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj's prime was in 2016. I mean, today, Kantaraj, it's Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it wasn't.
And as I said, it's another Chongren Koren fighting Chongren Koren.
I mean,
it's like Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Perdius next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chongren Koren, you can see. I mean, the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary, and then later he had to vacate the title. Chongren Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dutt has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I met his corner
fighter
and
from Nepal to win a title at Matrix Fight. Look at that! Look at that finish. Drop Chongren Koren.
There you go. That was the end.
Man.
It was over.
This is the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see
got your knockout.
70.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout, and Rabindra Dutt does it in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke him down, and to do that to Chongren Koren says something, that he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and
overconfidence as well.
No. You know what? Chongren Koren is such a solid fighter.
You got to place a skill with anything.